We are in hell. Yes, no, for as long as you are watching me, it means that you were not part of the 144,000 that were taken when the rapture happened. The only rapture that you know is caught up in the rapture of love. Ah, Anita Baker, angithina boyenzani abantu maba prayer. When I wacula Metro FM, now you are in my rapture. Yeah, rapture. Ngiyanamukela kumqobo yami ngomhlaba kadade ngomhlaba kagogo ngomhlaba ka-anti ngomhlaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. So if you want more traffic on your platforms, Msware Kamukhala, the number is on your screen down below. Titi Day. Countdown to our lunch this Sunday. I am so excited. I cannot wait to hang out with you, management, and my winners. Thank you for everyone who has sponsored for this lunch. I'm getting a dress made. We've gotten some gifts for our goodie bags. We're going to have a great time. I cannot wait. Now, today's video has a few stories. So please get comfy. Be really comfy. Get coffee because the weather is also rapturing outside. Sonji, something to drink. We are about to get into it, okay? But we've got my favorite chakra Han on the internet, my colleague Ubruja, who is also a tarot reader, and she helps you with aligning your energy and balancing those chakras so that you can hit your highest self actualization. You understand? Because to connect, energy is everything, and if you are aligned, you are able to vibrate on a higher frequency. She is almost at 1,000 subscribers. So can we please get her to that 1,000 subscriber mark? Please, guys, go over there and subscribe. Now, Piri Maroon. Piri Maroon. Jima Shiho. Sana, things went horribly wrong when this man went to Nigeria and he was stuck there. If you do not know Ujima Shiho, he is the hit maker of Ibiri Maroon. That song was making people dance from December to 2025. Some people forgot to pay school fees, rent, buy groceries because of the song, okay? Now, as you all know, when there is an artist in Complainville, Maporisa Sunny Boy's name is never far from their lips. He was like, Maporisa, pay me. Maporisa, pay me. You know? And then DJ Kari was like, okay, we cannot leave you stuck in Nigeria. Come back home. As soon as he hit the ground in South Africa, he started revealing everything. He started revealing everything.
Before Maui was celebrating the Cherry Port. Pori was fucking Mahu before Maui was celebrating. But you should have Mahu before I was celebrating Nanyo Univille Pori. Why isn't the Camara Gamers and a Wulamite Delinuana? Pori Prince KB about one. Our Prince KB hiring music. O busy gang. One you one. Why do I cause Prince KB Muno Bezema? Saying Butch.
This man, he was like two or short Arabia. Now everything, two or short Arabia. Two or short Arabia. Two or short Arabia. Yesterday, we saw a video of him getting put behind the police van. We all were making assumptions for it. Now that this man is taking out music industry secrets, Chiggy, he's getting arrested. No, guys, he wasn't getting arrested. Apparently, he was becoming very disruptive to the people that he was around. They called the police to remove him in front of the people. Guys, I think this man like saw something he wasn't supposed to see or said things that he wasn't supposed to say, and then now everything is unhinged, okay? Because that behavior, it's really worrisome, you know. But yeah, he wasn't arrested, guys. He was just removed from the environment that he was causing disruption to. And distraction boys, so the police were called to remove him. Jima Shehu Putwami, alwehlanga lungehlanga, prayers, sorrows, Aribiao, 2 shots. Guys, remember that song? Hamba, hamba chubalana bayoko tabambili. That song. It had Lady Amar, it had CC, it had Marumba Pitch. Guess what? The hit maker of that song came on TikTok and said, guys, can you believe that I made a hit song and I don't know money from this song?
Hi guys, I'm sure you all want to know who's refusing to pay me for my work on this song. This is Fiso, and most of you Lemtsbelago podcast, you know him from a podcast. So this is the man that holds the rights of the song and he's responsible for paying me for my production. This man blocked me after the song was making noise and I've never got a cent from the song. He's busy chilling there by the podcast, pretending he's a good person. He bought a house with my money. He's busy buying cars now with my money. He was even hosting the studio camp. Looking for Likombo artists to sign it. And then I'm here now. I'm struggling on the other hand. I can't even feed my own family. South Africans, I kindly ask for help with this issue. I'm just a young black man that loves making music. I need your help.
Dangerous, more dangerous than Danger Box. Yeah. So apparently, he is the one refusing with the cash money. We'll see, let's face. You're my colleague, Mara. Stoked. Shoki, you've chopped me. Hi guys, let us talk, my people. What happened, Karepcha? What happened, Karepcha? We are now trending worldwide in the world because I guess the rapture talk originally started here in South Africa. We said that the rapture is happening on the 23rd and 24th of September. As I record this video on the 25th of September, not even one person from my surrounding was raptured. Nitty videos, hey, you. I wonder what happened post this video. When the hands were in the air, when the hands came down, what happened? Those who sold their things, those who sold their cars, those who gave away, they gave away even their children. So when you are part of the rapture and you give away your children, you are telling us that your children don't deserve to be raptured with you. And we've got so many questions regarding the rapture, but right now we are very notorious in the world. We are telling people that they are going up when actually Faith in Katie, my sister, come to the dance. You're also in this video. Can you imagine? Yeah. Meanwhile, you're thinking, hey, you're on vacation. My sister, you're not even safe on vacation. You can go to Italy, you can go to Kuruman, you can go to Quebec, you can go to Kwakwa. When your name has been called, you have to come to the dance floor. Right now, they saw you in a picture with Ukudzi, who is allegedly Kanye Bao's ex. I say allegedly because we don't know if they really broke up or they are on. You know, Kanye Bao, on, off, Puma, Buya, Sala, Suguma, in, out. So that's why we are saying allegedly. You were in a picture with Kudzi and people are like, baby, OC. And then, should we have faith in you? This is not your man. And Faith was like, guys, please, stop trying to create a narrative that is not true. Stop trying to come up with stories that are not true, okay? This man asked me to just take a picture. We only did this for a picture. This man is not my man, okay? And we said, Faith, because I had to have it. We said, Faith, huh? And let's not forget Hori. Kuzi is world renowned in Kanyimbabu's birth equipment. So we were just making sure of it. Ne? Speaking of Kanyimbabu, oh, prayers and sorrows, Siswami. Manzam Timbu, you guys have maybe already heard. Manzam Timbu, the millionaire that gave us the millionaire Kanyimbabu, that gave Kanyimbabu the yellow Lamborghini, the lifestyle, the posh Kanye that we knew. Manzam Timbu is no longer on earth with us, and he passed on at the age of 68 in New York. So, Zoto Wabantu and Kanye, may your hearts heal. Yes, guys, Angitu Mandla used to leave the penthouse there in Michelangelo to go and sleep on Zoto's bed there in Rockville, Soweto, next to Banyaza 707. Yes! Yes, you didn't know. One thing about divorce, when it finds a good frying pan, wherever the frying pan is, the divorce will want to shukuma. Yeah. It's just that you're acting like, but my friend, divorce. Yeah, Mbali, gorgeous Mbali, flower. This flower is for you. This one. Dedicated to you, Gorgeous. Gorgeous Mbali. We saw the court documents, my sister. They are sending you summons that you haven't paid the rent in the law. Mbali, I'm talking not just long, in the longest time. There by Menlyn Mall and there by the Pink Factory. Rent is overdue, my sister. They've even sent you summons, and it doesn't even end there. Allegedly, your employees took you to the CCMA and they won. And they won. On top of that, your own cousin allegedly, you put her on unpaid leave, maternity leave. The UIF said investigations. So, Mbali, investigations and revelations. Don't explain, Mbali. We will find out. I guess you didn't tell us. Anyway, it's not like you're the one that came to tell us. So don't tell us. But we will know. We will know the outcome, my sister. In the meantime, Alwehlanga, Lungehlanga, Spornet, and Transnet money. No, but because Mbali, you're linked to that Transnet money. Ankere Nsovo is your man, and then you guys are in a private part collaboration. So what's his, it's yours, is sexually transmitted. You know, it's a pity how the education is not sexually transmitted. A lot of us would be doctors, lawyers, prophets, entrepreneurs. If we just did the Vinky Vonko and someone else's success was transferred to you via sexualia, Kuri, a lot of us would be very. Amanda Dupont. You remember Amanda Dupont was engaged? And then the engagement did not make it to the aisle. And then she was openly dating this one. And this one is in the presidential cartel. The presidential cartel, they work and work. And you know what I told you about men who work and work? They touch this, they touch that. Yeah? They don't have bosses. They have business partners. When you try to call him on the office line, there is no office line. When you say, baby, where are you? He says, baby, I'm doing night shift, but it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. When you say, baby, so he says, after I'm finished working. What are you doing at work? Nyasebenza. What is your job description? Mereko. Those are men who work at work. They don't have pay slips, but the money. There's no 25th. There's no 30th for a man who works at work. The money. You know, they smell like the Hawks. They smell like a court case. They smell like they've got friends in Lukop, Polsmo Prison, Sun City Prison, DH Uzi. This one of Amand is there in the presidential cartel. Worst part, he is married, like happily married, because the wife always says, my husband, my husband, my husband. But he's also was also dating Amanda Dupont openly. Like I'm talking openly. These people were singing at events, funerals, gatherings, literally together. So we're like, okay, Amanda, as long as we're happy, sis, we can't say. Anyway, Amanda now just popped out with a new relationship. Is it allegedly? I don't know, so on and so forth. Amanda, please don't remove me. People need these videos from me. I'm putting out what's already out there. Don't remove me, please. Amanda. This one we don't know his face, but it looks like he looks good. He looks like he smells good through the picture. So, Siswam, Amanda, congratulations. Amanda, if I don't talk about it, someone else is gonna talk about it. Don't come for me. I need to lay by in Basla as a Christmas for the kids, please. Mukelings. Mukelings. People are asking if you are rebranding, and this question has been on the air for the longest time. You know why? Because the way you remember that Banele Ndaba, we knew and loved him on TikTok. Like he had the funniest skits on TikTok, right? And then obviously Mukelings right in front of our eyes, like the weaves, the skirts, the dancing. We're like, yes, Mukelings. And then lately, he's giving us this heterosexual vibe when it comes to dressing. It's giving like style king. Yes, wear that. Give it to us. Like umuhle, whether you are Mukelings, whether you are Banele, umuhle, like through and through, you know? So people were asking, how? Does this mean it's the end of the era for Mukelings? Are you just gonna be like Banele? No weaves, no dresses, no skirts. What's going on? And according to News 24, when they interviewed Banele was like, Mukelings is a character. You know, I just want you guys to also experience a little bit of Ubanele. And listen, I haven't got no problems with Banele because Banele can dress. Banele looks good. Like Banele as Banele, it's giving. I'm a mother that time. In Borang, I'm a mother. Drooling over someone. I told you this video is long. Let's go to the comment section down below and talk. September. Ay, piri marung.